arrivez. Vous êtes quel hôtel ici? Alors, il y a deux parkings. Il y a un parking là-bas. Et il y a le garage. C'est quand vous voulez. Monsieur, prenez votre moto et suivez-moi. Je dois montrer. C'est gratuit.
Là? Impeccable. Merci à toi. شكرا.
La réservation?
Oui, j'ai tout.
Ah ouais, d'accord. Et combien de nuits vous restez ici? 2 nuits ou...
Juste une nuit.
Et demain tu pars?
Demain je pars, ouais.
Tu visites pas la ville?
Si.
Hein?
Je vais la visiter demain matin.
Et la ville sont très grands. Il y a 14 portes d'entrée, 9850 et 366 quartiers.
Merci à toi.
Ça fait plaisir.
preacher's son, and when his daddy would visit, he'd come along. When they gathered around and started talking, Cousin Billy would take me walking. Out through the backyard we go walking. Then he looked into my eyes. Lord knows to my surprise, the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Yes, he was. Being good isn't always easy, no matter how hard I try. When he started sweet talking to me, he'd come and tell me everything is alright. He'd kiss and tell me everything's alright. Can I get away again tonight? The only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Lord knows he was. Yes, he was. How well I remember the look was in his eyes, stealing kisses from me on the slide, taking time to make time, telling me that he's all mine, learning from each other's knowing, looking to see how much we've grown, and the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Oh, yes, he was. The only one who could ever reach me. He was the sweet talking son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me. I guess he was the son of a preacher. The only one who could ever move me sweet was the son of a preacher. The only one who could ever move me was the son of a preacher man. The only one who could ever reach.
Rumors spreading round in that Texas town.
Est-ce que vous avez ça?
And you know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you wanna go to that home out on the range. They got a lot of nice girls.